Hey Colt fans, Justin Baldini here from Colt. Welcome to this week's episode of Topic Tuesday. This week what we're going to do is we're actually just going to take the handguard off and put it back on to this M4 upper. Usually a pretty simple process. I'll give you some tricks and tips that might make it a little easier. I grabbed this cutaway model so I could just walk you through what actually holds the handguards in place. So on the front, the handguard is just wedged underneath this handguard cap. On the rear is where the magic happens. The handguard itself actually sits on the barrel nut, which is down here, which is covered by this delta ring. The delta ring itself is what holds the handguard onto the barrel nut. You can see there's a spring behind this, behind the delta ring that actually pushes the delta ring forward, and then behind that, there's actually a giant C-clip that holds it onto the barrel nut. So this is actually a Knights Armament handguard. It just happens to be what I grabbed for the video here. And that means this is an aluminum handguard, and it's still a two-piece handguard. It comes off bottom first, top second. We're gonna have to unscrew this retaining screw on the top also. But the best way to do any of these, it really doesn't matter what handguard it is to really just put this thing on its end on here, and then you can sort of lean on that delta ring and make sure that you get it all the way off. At this point, what we really want to do is just pull down on that delta ring as hard as we can to get that bottom half of the rail out. Especially on an aluminum rail like this, you really can't be sticking a screwdriver in there to pry, or this delta ring right here is anodized aluminum. You will scratch it if you use something to pry in there like a screwdriver. So pull down on it, slide it out, make sure you really give it a bunch of clearance so you're not dragging this against the delta ring, and then you're good. Okay, now I'm actually going to remove this retaining screw that's on the top of this. Again, this is unique to the Knights Armament rails. It's not, you wouldn't find this on a normal plastic handguard. You can really just unscrew that all the way out. It's actually got a retainer that's going to keep it from falling out. So, but you want it to be completely loose. Again, we're just going to grab that delta ring, pull it down nice and tight, make sure that it's clear of that handguard, and then pull up on the handguard to slide it out. The more that you can pull it down, pull that delta ring down, the less chance you're going to scratch anything taking off this aluminum handguard. So that's it. I'll give you a couple more tricks here when you put these things together, especially with the Knights handguard. First thing we're going to do is actually just take the rail itself and make sure that this retaining tab down here is all the way down. If you don't know what I mean by that is, this is sort of the up position, and we want that to be all the way down. You might just have to hit it with your finger to make sure it's down. Otherwise, it's going to be a real pain to put together. The best way to install these is actually horizontal. That'll ensure that gravity helps us out by keeping this retaining tab downward instead of falling upward on us if we do it vertically. The other thing about these handguards is they actually have a spring tab in the front that helps tension it against the handguard cap. That needs to be installed first, so you really need to put it pretty good angle and make sure that that ends up under the handguard cap, and now you're ready to install the back. So we're just going to keep an eye on that tab, make sure it's down, pull back on that delta ring with, again, that thumb of the forefinger, slide it down onto there, and then slide it, it should kind of spring back forward once it's past where it needs to be. What you really don't want to do at this point is kind of get the handguard halfway on and then let go of the delta ring and then just sort of hit it or push it the rest of the way. If you do that, you are guaranteed to scratch the delta ring and the handguard. And we're just going to tighten up this retaining screw while we're here. And then we'll show you what we need to do to put the bottom handguard on. So we're going to go back up to vertical. I just find it's easier to get some leverage on the delta ring that way. And same thing, it's just going to be top end first, up under that handguard cap, pull down on that delta ring, and then put it in. Again, same as the top. If you get it halfway and then you just sort of muscle it in there, you're guaranteed to scratch things. So avoid doing that. So there you have it, fans. That's how you can get that handguard on and off of your Colt M4 upper without scratching anything up or using any tools that are going to damage and scratch things. So there you go. Make sure you leave us some comments below so that we can address your questions on next week's Topic Tuesday.